kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 5 Mathematics Olympiad. And in class 5 Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to start a new chapter, that is symmetry. Okay? So are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. Our first question, how many of the following figures have no line of symmetry? Option A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. So in the question, it is given that how many of the following figures. So we have some figures here. Okay. So how many of the following figures have no line of symmetry? So if we check for the first figure, yes, there is a line of symmetry. Yes, and for this figure no line of symmetry. Here also no line of symmetry. Here there is a line of symmetry. Okay, and in the last figure also there is no line of symmetry. So we can say that three figures have no line of symmetry. So the correct answer is option B, that is 3. Okay, so you can check it. This figure has line of symmetry, and these three figures have no line of symmetry. Got it? Okay, coming to the next question. What is the least number of squares that must be added so that the line MN becomes a line of symmetry? Option A 4, B 6, C 5, D 7. So in the question it is given what is the least number of squares that must be added so that the MN becomes line of symmetry. So MN, you can see here M and N is there. So for becoming Mn to the line of symmetry, we should have same type of structure in both sides. Okay, and for that we need to add some square in the given picture. So what square we need to add? So these are the square, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we add these squares, then the Mn, it will be that the line it will act as the line of symmetry. Okay, and it will divide the structures into two equal halves. Got it? So we found 5. Right? So here the correct answer is option C, that is 5. Got it? Then coming to the next question, how many more squares in the figure must be drawn so that the figure becomes symmetrical along the dotted line? Option A 1, B 3, C 6, D 8. So you can see the dotted line is here. Yes. So for that also we need to draw some more squares. So in the question it is given how many more squares in the figure must be drawn so that the figure becomes symmetrical along the dotted line. So here these are the squares, right? So these are the squares, that is square number 1, 2 and 3, which we need to do so that this structure line, it will become the line of symmetry, right? So the correct answer, that is option B 3. Got it? Coming to the next question. Which of the following is the line of symmetry of the figure? Option A, both L and O. B, both L and N. C, only N. D, all L, M, N and O. So in the question it is given which of the following is a line of symmetry of the figure. So if we look at the L, so it is dividing it into two halves, right? Coming to this M, this is also dividing the image into two equal halves. Coming to N, it is also dividing it into two equal halves, right? And O, it is also dividing it into two equal halves. That means all of them are the line of symmetry for the given figure. So the correct answer is option D, that is all L, M, N and O. Right? Coming to the next question, the minimum number of squares that must be shaded so that the figure has a line of symmetry is dash. Option A 1, B 2, C 3, D 0. So in the question it is asked the minimum number of squares that must be shaded so that the figure has a line of symmetry. Okay. So for that what we need, can you suggest? This box, it is need to be shaded, and also this box, right? So if we are setting these two squares, then that figure will have line of symmetry. Okay, yes. So you can see that. So how many squares need to be shaded? That is option B 2. Got it? Coming to the next question, how many lines of symmetry does the figure have? Okay, so this figure, it is not having any line of symmetry, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares are here, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares are here. Okay, and so um, and the structure, the shaded portion, these are also different. Okay, so here no line of symmetry is there, right? The question was how many lines of symmetry does the figure have? It is having 0 line of symmetry. Okay, coming to the next question, a circle has days line of symmetry. Option A 0, B 2, C 4, D infinite. So as per the question, circle has how many lines of symmetry? You know, circle, it has infinite line of symmetry. You can draw a lot of lines, right? Lot of lines through the center of the circle, right? So the correct answer is option D, that is infinite. Coming to the next question, which letter, sorry, which letter has no line of symmetry? Option A, B, B, C, G, D, K. So in the question it is given which letter has no line of symmetry. So A is there. Okay, so uh, we can draw line of symmetry here. Then B is there, we can draw line of symmetry. For G, we cannot draw any line of symmetry. For K, we can draw line of symmetry. So which letter has no line of symmetry? It is G, and it is present in option C. Okay, so the correct answer is option C, that is G. Got it? Question, how many lines of symmetry does the given figure have? This is a figure and options are A1, B2, C3 and D4. So as per the question, how many lines of symmetry does the given figure have? So can you tell? Yes, this is one line, then this is the second line and third line, fourth line. So how many lines of symmetry are there? Yes, it is 4 and it is present in option D. So the correct answer is option D, that is 4. Got it? So this was for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay? So meet you soon. Bye everyone.